Hello everybody, Mofo FPV here. Today I'm going to show you guys my attempt of changing out this glass on this Runcam 5. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but it's got some little spots on it where I'd hit some rocks. And now in my video I get this big smudgy spot over to the left hand side when I'm running it on my quad. So we're gonna pull this one out, and I got this one made in China, just like everything, right? So inside this little bag we have the new glass and the two-sided adhesive. All right. So after heating that up with the hair dryer on high, the glass came right out of it. There it is. There it is. Alright. And there's absolutely no glue or adhesives or anything on there, so it's already nice and clean. Came off perfectly. So now you take this. Place it down inside there, like that. Go around the edges and make sure it's pushed down in there really good. Pull it off of there. Alright, now we're going to take our glass. I don't really want to touch the glass itself. I don't want any fingerprints on it. You'll notice one side of it is a gray. The other side is black. You want the black side facing out. So you want that gray matte side to go in. Drop it down in there. Push it into place. Easy as that. And that, my friends, is how you change out the glass on a Runcam 5. This has been Mofo FPV. Take care, stay in the air.